Hey guys, and welcome to my live stream. Here I will talk all about my new free 3-day challenge. It's perfect for interior designers, interior design students, or for those who want to master interior sketching from scratch. You know, these days we want to play safe, to stay home. At least here in New Zealand, in Auckland, where I am right now, we have entire 4 weeks of complete lockdown. Hi Janine Williams, hi Fi Sketch, hi everybody. So we're supposed to stay home for entire 4 weeks, for entire month, and I decided to create something beautiful, something special for you guys. That's why this 3-day challenge is opening today. So I decided it to be like very intense immersion into interior sketching for beginners. Today is day one. So right now in New Zealand it's already Friday. So Friday is day one of the challenge, and today we are going to draw an interior in Scandinavian style. So the main theme for this challenge is going to be mastering 1-point perspective, because this kind of perspective is the most important for interior designers. Okay, it's one of the most important. So basically it's 1-point perspective and 2-point perspective that you really want to know if you're an interior designer or interior design student, architect. But the frontal perspective, it's another name of 1-point perspective. It's the easiest type of perspective, and I know that there are lots of beginners in drawing and sketching and drawing in general on my Instagram. So I decided to make this challenge very friendly for beginners, for those who are starting interior drawing from scratch. So this lesson, it's already available on my YouTube School of Sketching. And yes, all the lessons of this challenge you will find on my YouTube. So this is a little bit closer look. So here we will go deep into the light and shadow concept, and of course mastering 1-point perspective. Also here I'll touch upon the main features of Scandinavian design. Maybe some of you know that I lived in Copenhagen, Denmark for 3 years, so I really felt in love with Scandinavian design. And you know, originally I'm Russian, but I do love Scandinavian design. Okay, for the next lesson. So lesson number 2 is also all about drawing an interior in 1-point perspective, but here, as you can see, we are focusing on black interior design. So I show you how to draw with black color only. And yes, even though these lessons are with markers, I use markers in the lessons, it's okay if you will use different media. It can be watercolor for you, it can be colored pencils, maybe even black ink, regular pencil. Actually, anything you have. If you have an iPad and Procreate, you can draw digitally for sure, so don't worry about it. And the final lesson, which will be available to you guys on my YouTube School of Sketching this Sunday at 8 a.m. London time zone. It's, as you can see, also all about frontal perspective. It's another name of 1-point perspective. But here, since it's like the final lesson for this challenge, and I suppose that we already built our knowledge during the first 2 lessons, here I will dive deeper into textures in interior sketching. So textures like timber, wool, fur, velvet, like different textiles. I will go more in depth in this quick sketch, and all sketches, they are really pretty quick. Each lesson is about 20 to half an hour long, so it will not take like a lot of time from you. So I'm really excited about this drawing challenge. I can't wait to see your drawings from it. Please make sure to use the hashtag Sorokina Students. I put it in my latest post here on Instagram. So in this post you'll find all the description, everything about this challenge in details. So let me see if you have any questions so far. So thank you so much for all your nice comments. I really hope you guys that you are safe and everything will be fine. This all shall pass, you know. And really, I want we to switch our attention to creativity from all this worrying, anxiety, all this negative news. That's why I launched this new challenge. Hi Archideva, hi Alexandra, Castin Brown, I'm pretty excited about it. I love perspective drawing. Oh, that's great, can't wait to see your drawings as well. Hi DXT Design Prof, hi Ruba, Denise, Mail, because Anna. Oh wow, I can imagine that there are going to be a lot of participants in this challenge. So visit my YouTube School of Sketching, check out my latest post here on Instagram, 3-day challenge, and welcome to this challenge, 1 point perspective. Let's dive deep into interior sketching and master the basics of it and of 1 point perspective. So can't wait to see you guys inside. Bye for now.